introducing the new report print section where you can see the reports which are to be printed in the pending print sections. Here I can print reports, so I can print one by one and mark them as print done, or I can print in bulk, so I can select all of them together and print. So there are two modes of printing: print by patient and print all together. So if I select print by patient, I can print all the reports for one patient and then mark as print done. It will move on to the next patient automatically, so that you can print one patient at a time and then bunch it together, put it in an envelope or a folder, and then move on to the next patient. So this is how you can do it in a continuous flow where you're printing one patient and then punching it together, then printing the next one, and so on. And this will show how much, the progress bar will show how much reports are pending and how much are done. Similarly, if you want, you can select 100 reports and print them together, all together in one PDF, and then separate it out. The other option is, if you want, you can select the reports which you want and download them. So if you want, you can just download those reports in a zip file. So it will download a zip file which will have all the reports. You can download them with letterhead or without letterhead and send it to the relevant organization or doctor. You also have an option to filter reports. So if I want to just print all the reports which are dispatched, that means they are marked as submitted, then I can just show the reports where all the reports for that patients are dispatched. If I want to print reports when they are signed, so if and only if all the reports of the patients are signed, then only I want to print the reports, then I'll select this second option. And if I want to print any reports which is signed, then I'll select the first option. Besides this, you can also filter by payment status. So I want to only print paid reports or all reports, and I can also select by department. So suppose if I want just hematology reports, then I can just print hematology reports. Okay. Besides this, the other two flags are hide scene. So this allows you to not print reports. If the report is seen online by the patient, this will hide those reports from this list, so you don't waste paper by printing them again and keeping them, because the patient has already seen the report online. And hide outsource is when you don't want to print reports which are sent to your lab for processing. So suppose if you have a multi-center setup and then all the centers are sending you reports, but then you will be only printing the reports of the patients which are walking in or the samples which are directly sent to you, rather than printing the reports from other centers which will be printed in that center. So you can just filter out those reports by hide outsource. Once the report are printed, you can see the count over here, how many are pending and how many are already done. If you want to see already printed reports, you can see here the reports which are printed done are also visible in the all report section. So if you want to print them again, you will be able to see it. So this is the new report print section, which allows you to print reports faster and shorten the dispatch time for the reports.